So what about those of us with 4C or type 4 hair? How often should we shampoo our hair? So it has been shown that for type 4 hair, it's not that usual to, on a weekly or 2-weekly basis, wash the scalp. And I say scalp because shampooing, the main focus is the scalp. Obviously, as soon as you rinse it out, it will go through the hair and it will wash the hair as well. But a shampoo's main purpose is to cleanse or clean the scalp. What you can see in the natural hair community is that type 4 hair isn't washed as frequently because of the maintenance thing and the styling part, and also because the hair tends to feel very dry after shampooing. Now, when it comes to scalp conditions, the scalp condition will not look at your hair type and be like, oh, because you're type 4, you don't have to do it as much and it will be fixed. Unfortunately, that's not how it goes. The skin on the scalp has a certain condition. In this case, we were talking about dandruff, but it could also be sebderm or other scalp conditions where frequent shampooing is necessary to get rid of the symptoms or to limit the amount of symptoms that you will have and the appearance of the scaling and the flakes. There's actually been a study done this year where they basically looked at every hair type, so type 2, 3, and 4, looked at their regular regimen when it comes to washing the scalp, looked at the condition of their scalp and compared it to each other. They checked the scalp on a microscopic level. They also measured the pH of the scalp, and they noted the symptoms that the participants were having. After that, all of the participants washed their hair every 2 days for a week, and they did the exact same check. So check the scalp on a microscopic level, measure the pH, and noted the symptoms. After a week, the data shows that washing the scalp every 2 days for a week increased perceived cleanliness of mainly type 4 hair versus other hair types. It shows that the lower washing frequency had a negative effect on the scalp on type 4 hair and the scalp's health. The majority experienced increased dryness and on a microscopic level showed more scaling, increased skin darkness, a raised skin pH, and also levels of inflammation. The frequent washing with the shampoo and then following up conditioning the hair not only suited the scalp, it also reduced the appearance of dandruff and it reversed some of the instrumental measures of the inflammation that they were experiencing on the scalp. But the shampoo that was being used was a regular shampoo, so it wasn't even a shampoo that contained yeast-fighting ingredients. Now, washing every 2 days isn't necessary, and it's not what I would recommend, especially if you're used to only washing it once every 2 weeks, or from some I hear once a month. What I would recommend is to increase in baby steps. So in this case, if you're used to washing it once a month, try washing it every 2 days. Follow up with that by going washing every week. And if you really suffer from a severe scalp conditions that require frequent washing, go for twice a week. If you're afraid of it making your hair feel dry and brittle, then it might be a good idea to try the sandwich method, which is where you apply conditioner on the hair first before applying the shampoo on the scalp. Then you rinse both out and then you follow up with a regular conditioner and do your detangling as usual. I hope this helps kind of explaining why frequent washing is important and that it's not related to the hair type, but it's more related to what's going on with the scalp.